Today you will learn how to install Angular 7 on your computer. This assume that you already have Node and npm installed. If you don't, please check out the link in the description to get started. Now to start things off, open up the browser. We are going to use the Node Package Manager to easily install Angular. Once we are here, what we have to do is to install the next Angular version. To do so, click on the install command. Open up a terminal and type in ngv to check out the current Angular version. As you see, we have the version 6.2.2 installed. Now we are going to install Angular version 7 Beta 3. If you are on Mac or Linux, do not forget sudo to allow write permission. Then add the next argument for Angular 7 and the G flag to install globally on your machine. Now you should be all set. Type in ngv to check the current version. Beautiful. Angular 7 is ready to be used. Let's create an Angular 7 app. Type in the ng-new command followed by your project name. Type Y to add routing and select SCSS as style sheet. This is going to take some time, so we'll pause the video and come back when it's ready. Alright. The project's ready. cd to your project folder and run the ng-serve command followed by the open flag to launch the app. This is going to take some time, so we'll pause the video and come back when it's ready. Awesome! We've built our first Angular 7 app. If you liked the video, subscribe to encourage me. See you next time.